Surging engine core. Powerful power. This is Bezita brushless Lion impact wrench model E301. The body adopts a classic industrial design. Ergonomic handle, soft touch grip, durable wear resistance, slip-proof. Tungsten spindle, plus 850 Nm, brushless motor, tough tasks, simplified. Rapid forward, reverse switching boosts, work efficiency. With stepless speed switch, single finger work speed control, effortless motor adjustment. Built-in smart controller, 13 safeguards, full battery monitoring, stable output. Compatible with its ratchet wrenches, drills, and impact wrenches. Highly versatile. Equipped with 3 LED beads, it easily handles dim environments. Features 3-speed power adjustment. Smart auto reverse stop, halts when loosening, prevents bolt drop. For automotive repair, outdoor construction, truss setups, equipment install, multi-use. Effortlessly handles diverse complex conditions.